Geberit develops sanitary products to improve life quality of our end consumers. The big driver of our business comes from technological driven business. We are used to come from the plastic world with very efficient processes, but with the ceramic business it's a bit different story. And the challenge now is to make the same efficiency, reduce waste in the ceramic business, and to align also the processes we used to have. We have various locations, and when you want to collaborate, you need a common platform for all R&D sites. And because it's a very powerful tool, we can cover the whole range we need in our company with the platform. We can cover all the disciplines from design, product development for mold making, NC manufacturing, equipment design until the building and put in the machines, and also industrialized prefabrication. And at the end of the day, we want to have complete twin in 3D experience. The relation to Dassault Systèmes, I think it's really from heart improve our process and to support us.